Well, I'm in politics now. I go see the people every day. Not one single day passes na walang nangangamusta sa tatay ko. Ibig sabihin, talagang tumatak yung pangalan ng Dorsey sa puso ng Pilipino. And that speaks for itself. The way he carried himself in the hard court, on and off the court actually, minahal siya ng tao. And I think that's really what's giving him the desire to get better. We're thankful to everyone who have been praying for his health to improve. And again, sana tuloy-tuloy lang yung dasal. Awa ng Diyos, makasama natin ulit si Joe.
Sir, how did he receive the news nung nalaman niya na he'll be receiving itong lifetime achievement?
Yeah, actually, very very happy siya kasi nung alam naman ng mga members ng press, ng PBA press, pag meron silang ganito, talaga naman full support ng aking ama in the previous years. So itong napakalaking karangalan na binigay ng PBA press corps sa kanya, talagang malapit sa puso niya. So maraming salamat sa PBA press corps.
Basta sir, nabanggit niyo nga po na hopefully yung mga prayers for yourself, kamusta po si Senator?
Yeah, he's home, no? He's nasa bahay lang mo siya. He's very comfortable, but of course, hindi pa rin niya nababalik yung dati niya lakas. But the important thing is, he's physically stronger now than he was last year. Last year, medyo mas marami siyang challenges. So, again, may improvement naman, no? Pero hindi pa rin siya back to 100%. So, we still need your prayers kasi naniniwala naman kami na nothing is impossible. Basta ibigay natin sa Panginoon lahat, di ba? Mapabalik lang yung 100% na kalusugan niya. Alright. Thank you.